Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, AVAX continues to be in this correction here in this diagonal pattern or descending wedge. It obviously invalidated bullish potential and therefore has made a new low and is now probably moving down further at the moment. At least price at the moment would rather suggest that. Had this wick to the downside, they often get filled, yeah, and the wave structure currently suggests that this was a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside. We're now moving down in a third wave, that would be an ABC structure, then a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 to the downside. That's at least what I'm observing at the moment, what I'm following at the moment, and at the moment on the micro level, in this wave C of 3, I would also look for another low as long as price cannot break above the, let's see where the volume started here, as long as price, well, if price can break above roughly $14.30, then we can talk. But until then, I would be looking for another low, yeah. Looking here at a really more detailed wave structure, I think that is extremely difficult. It is really a bit of a messy structure here, due to very weak retracements. Anyway, yeah, I mean, I could give you probably 4 or 5 different counts here. So going even more micro doesn't make much sense in my opinion. Yeah, you know, it could be. Just so obviously it's a C wave. We're looking for a 5-wave move. This could be a 1-2 setup here. Yeah, and then a small 1-2, but it's extremely 3, 4, and all of this could be an extended 5, but they are not normally, you know, they're normally not that much of an that much extended. Oops, no, didn't want to do that. They're normally not that extended. Yeah, something like a 1-2. Then you had could be a diagonal here, 3, 4, and 5, which had a small 1, 2, 3, 4 with one more low. But that is really just going into the detail. So I'm just trying to, or even here 1, 2, and then okay, that might make actually more sense. And then you had a small 1, 2 here, a 3, a 4, a 5 in 3, then here the 4 and the 5 to complete the wave C. I think that actually sort of makes sense. Then this was a tiny 1, 2, 3, here maybe a small 4 and a 5 as an ending diagonal. Just to give you an idea of the micro count, right? But this is a difficult one on the way down due to the strong extension here. So either way, and then in the 5th wave, yeah, you had here a small 1, 2, 3. This could be a 4 and a 5. So one more low to come in this larger third. At least that is what the micro count would suggest. And looking at resistances again on the micro level, you can also see here nicely where the sell-off started, which was with this at this price, okay, around about $14. Yeah, if price gets above that, then possibly a more substantial low is in, but then it could just be a larger wave 4 recovery here. So looking at the retracements, we're looking for resistance. So let me add wave 4 resistance on the chart actually. It is now in resistance. So it should ideally in this structure not even not go above 1233, because that is the 50% retracement level. And above that level, a wave 4 will get less likely. So I'm watching for a possible reaction here for a 5th wave down in a 5th wave of a C of a 3rd. Okay, so at the moment, until I see really something more substantial above $14, I'm not gonna confirm a low is in. First signal that a low is in will be a move above 1233, but again, then it could just be a larger wave 4 recovery, which would be an ABC structure, which would then lead to a 5th wave to the downside, which would also be an ABC because the 3rd is an ABC and the 1st wave as well, because this is an ending diagonal in which the subwaves consist of 3 wave structures. Yeah, that's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.